Alright, so to finally get this skin, let me just equip it. I'm gonna claim everything from here. It was not easy, but not hard at the same time. What you need to do is go into your passes, and then from your passes, you're gonna see rewards. So the first thing you do is get this guy from here. That's your main guy. And then this guy. Well, usually you have to level up to get these guys. But this time they made it weekly quests. So for the second weekly quests, they kind of fixed it with the update. So people were able to finally get it. So you would have to go into quests, look into weekly, and just complete them all. So there's the donuts. So if you go into a storm of donuts, it's actually collecting the weapons during the storm. It's not after the storm is done. So that's how you guys do that quest. For the Homer thing, just go on the map. You guys will see where Homer's at. Then you guys get to do that. So those are the main two that are kind of, I guess, call them difficult. Other than that, the tomatoes that you're supposed to pick up, they're big tomatoes. They're in a basket. And you pick those up at the cornhole. That's beside the Springfield nuclear power plant. So those are just tips about completing them. Other than that, just play the game. You're going to complete the quests. And then finally, you guys get to have this skin plus the other one. So again, that's for this skin right here, which most of you unlocked already. And then finally, this dude right here. So both of these skins. Well, both styles. Anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done.